Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over can you get a Cash App card under 13? And if yes, how? Well, the short answer is yes you can, but not directly. I'll show you how. First I want you to launch Cash App, come to the top right, click on your profile icon, scroll down. Here under account and settings, you should see family accounts. Now what you need to do, either if you're under 13 years old, okay, your parent or guardian must sponsor your account. And even if you're 13 plus, you can just click here on I'm a teen. If you're not, you can just click on invite a teen. And then you just go to your parents' Cash App. And then you go and follow the directions I gave you. Click on invite a teen. And then just, share it with yourself. You can message it to yourself. You can airdrop, mail it, or you can copy and paste the link. But just use that link and then you can create the account and you can get the Cash App card as well. As you can see right here, it mentions that you can get the card, but your parent or guardian will be able to see the activity and manage it. So it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.